little too loud, but that's why we love her. She's not like other girls, she could've conquered the world until you broke her down. Are you happy now that she's on the ground? And do you realize the words you say like bruises that feel heavy now? That you brought her down, and she's thinking that she won't fit in 'cause you said something's wrong with her. Are you happy now? He likes science, not sports.